Honor, the renowned smartphone manufacturer, has once again raised the bar with its latest release, the Honor Magic V2. Packed with cutting-edge technology and innovative features, this device is set to captivate tech enthusiasts and smartphone aficionados alike. Let's dive into the details, exploring each facet that makes the Honor Magic V2 truly exceptional. Design and display. The Honor Magic V2 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that seamlessly blends form and function. The device features a slim profile with a premium metal and glass construction, exuding elegance from every angle. The bezel-less 6.5 inches AMOLED display takes center stage, offering an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors and deep contrast. The display's high resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels ensures sharp and crisp visual, making it a delight for multimedia consumption and gaming. The Magic V2's 120Hz refresh rate elevates the user experience, delivering smooth transitions and responsiveness, whether you're scrolling through content or engaging in fast-paced gaming. Camera. In the realm of photography, the Honor Magic V2 shines with its advanced camera system. The rear quad camera setup comprises a 64MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, an 8MP telephoto lens with optical zoom, and a dedicated 2MP macro lens. This versatile array ensures that users can capture stunning images in various scenarios, from expansive landscapes to detailed close-ups. The Magic V2's AI-powered camera features enhance the photography experience, offering features like scene recognition, night mode, and portrait enhancements. The 32MP front-facing camera takes selfies to the next level, producing clear and detailed shots, while also supporting facial recognition for secure unlocking. Software and performance. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V2 is powered by the latest processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The device runs on Magic UI 5.0, based on Android 12, providing users with a clean and intuitive interface. The seamless integration of hardware and software optimizes the overall user experience, whether you're multitasking or running demanding applications. The Magic V2 comes with ample storage options, ranging from 128GB to 256GB, ensuring that users have enough space for their apps, media, and files. The inclusion of 5G connectivity future-proofs the device, enabling faster data speeds and a more responsive online experience. Battery life. In the era of high-powered smartphones, battery life remains a critical factor for users on the go. The Honor Magic V2 addresses this concern with a robust 50 mAh battery. This large capacity ensures extended usage without the constant need for recharging, making it an ideal companion for daily tasks and adventures. The device supports 65-watt fast charging, allowing users to quickly top up their battery when needed. Additionally, intelligent power management features contribute to optimizing energy consumption, further enhancing the Magic V2's endurance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Honor Magic V2 stands as a testament to Honor's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. From its stunning design and immersive display to the powerful camera system and efficient performance, the Magic V2 delivers a comprehensive package for smartphone enthusiasts. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasker, or a gamer, this device caters to a diverse range of user needs, making it a top contender in the competitive smartphone landscape. As technology continues to evolve, the Honor Magic V2 sets a benchmark for what consumers can expect from a flagship smartphone. With its blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge features, the Magic V2 is not just a device, it's an experience that redefines the boundaries of mobile technology.